Are you feeling stressed because your syllabus is still incomplete? Relax, breathe, because today, I'm going to tell you how you can finish your entire syllabus in just 30 days, no matter how behind you think you are. Listen, many toppers don't start early. They don't magically study the whole year. What makes them different? They mastered the last 30 days. They believe in themselves when others give up, and you can do the same, starting today. First, stop telling yourself, I can't do it. Replace that with, I will do it. Stop wasting time feeling guilty for starting late. Guilt won't complete your syllabus, but your action will. Promise yourself that for the next 30 days, you will give your 100%, no excuses, no distractions. Remember, a diamond is made under pressure. Your next 30 days can transform your future if you just decide right now that you're ready to fight for it. So are you ready? If yes, say it out loud, I can do it. Now grab a notebook, because from here, you're not just listening, you're planning your success. Let's jump into step 2, making a realistic plan. Now that you've decided to give your 100%, it's time to make a realistic plan. First, check how many chapters or topics you have left. Don't panic when you see the number. Divide them into 4 weeks. Break each week into daily targets. Be clear about what you will study each day, no guessing. If you have 20 chapters, that's just 1 chapter every day, with some buffer days for revision. Write this plan on paper and stick it on your wall. Every morning, look at it and remind yourself why you started. This plan is your map. Follow it every single day, and you'll reach your goal in 30 days. A plan is useless if you don't follow a strict daily routine. Decide your study hours and stick to them like a ritual. Wake up early, 5 or 6 a.m. when the world is quiet. Divide your day into 3 or 4 study blocks of 2 to 3 hours each. Take short breaks of 5 to 10 minutes after every 50 minutes. Use these breaks to stretch, drink water, but no phone scrolling. Keep your phone far away, log out of social media, and tell everyone not to disturb you. These few hours of deep, distraction-free study will do what hours of distracted studying can never do. Discipline in your daily routine is the real superpower. Don't waste time on less important topics first. Find out which chapters have the highest weightage and which questions come every year. Start with the easy and important topics. Finish them fast, build confidence, and score maximum marks. Keep the toughest topics for later, but don't skip them completely. If you get stuck, take help from teachers, seniors, or free YouTube videos. Smart students don't try to study everything equally. They focus on what gives the best results. Prioritizing is not cheating, it's being smart. Don't just read your books passively, study smart. While studying, make short notes in your own words. Use highlighters, flowcharts, and mind maps to make big topics simple. If you can explain a topic in 1 page, you can remember it in the exam. Revise what you studied on the same day before sleeping. Quickly read your notes again. This way, your brain locks the information. Smart notes and daily revision will save you from last-minute panic. Every week, keep 1 full day only for revision. Go through everything you studied in the last 6 days. Don't just read, test yourself. Solve previous year question papers and sample papers. Take small mock tests at home. This will show you which topics are still weak and need more focus. Weekly revision makes your memory stronger and your confidence higher. When you revise again and again, you don't just study, you master it. Your body and mind need energy to study for long hours. Sleep at least 6 to 7 hours every night. An exhausted brain can't remember anything. Eat simple, healthy food, drink enough water, and avoid junk that makes you lazy. Take short walks or do light exercise to keep your mind fresh. Stay away from people who demotivate you. Protect your energy because only a healthy, focused mind can survive these 30 days and win. Motivation will drop, that's normal, but you must bring it back every single day. Watch a short motivational video or listen to an inspiring story of a topper. Put a big countdown calendar on your wall. Write how many days are left. Celebrate small wins when you finish a target. Treat yourself with your favorite snack or a short break. Remind yourself daily why you started. These 30 days can change your entire future. Don't let your mind forget that. Distractions are your biggest enemy. Keep your phone away while studying, or use apps that block social media for a set time. Study in a quiet place where no one disturbs you, a corner of your room, a library, anywhere you can focus. Tell your family and friends not to call or message you during study hours. One notification can break your flow and waste precious time. For these 30 days, protect your focus like it's your biggest treasure, because it is. In the last 5 to 7 days, focus completely on revision and exam practice. Solve as many past papers and sample tests as you can. This will train your brain to think fast during real exam. Spot your weak points and fix them immediately. Go through all your short notes, formulas, and important definitions every day. Don't try to learn anything new at the last moment. Just strengthen what you already know. Enter the exam hall with confidence, knowing you did everything you could to win. Remember, these 30 days can make the difference between failure and success, between regret and pride. It doesn't matter how you studied all the year. What matters is what you do now. Stay consistent, stay focused, and trust yourself. 1 month of pure dedication can give you results that will make you and your family proud. So get up, pick up your books, and prove to yourself that you can do it. Your future self is waiting to thank you.